Hello everyone, welcome to Sapthora Online Learning. Myself Vijay Krishna. I am here with the new lesson today, that is the F major scale to be played on the piano. So I am going to teach you how to play the F major scale on the piano and using the both hands, and I am going to show you how to do it. So before going to the lesson, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then go to subscribe button and click it and turn on the bell icon to get notified from our lessons, lot of contents, and don't miss the lessons. And here we go to the lesson. F major scale on the piano right away with the right hand starting. So the F major scale itself, it tells us it starts with the root note F. So it starts with the F note and F, G, A, B flat and C, D, E, F. So starting with the F note, F, G, A, B flat and C, D, E, F. So the finger numbers used for the right hand is 1, 2, 3, 4, and again the 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to play once again the right hand part. F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Now I'm going to do the descending, the reverse of F, E, D, C, B flat, A, G and F. Now we're going to the left hand part and how to do that in the left hand. The same notes to be played on the left hand, but left hand will goes one octave lower than the right hand. So if you're playing right hand here, the left hand goes to one octave lower here, and starting on with the F note, F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E and F. And going with the reverse, the same notes, F, so the left hand finger numbers are used 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 3, 2, 1. Together you can practice it like this. So in order to get this lesson more faster and more efficient playing, practice on the daily basis and spend some time with your keyboard, the piano, so that the lessons will improve and your hand coordination will go develop. So if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, and you can go to the subscribe button and click the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. So once you turn on the bell icon, you will be getting a lot of lessons and contents from us. So don't miss the huge content and a lot of lessons from us. And if you have any queries or anything to do, you can mention in the comment section. We'll be replying to you anything that you want. And going to the last, log into our website and book a free demo class and meet a lot of professional teachers from the Sapthora website. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson today, and see you in the next lesson. Thanking you.